Arts. Stone Age man, the art lover. Trees in blossom look beautiful. Watching butterflies dancing on flowers is a pleasure. We love watching green fields and the deep blue sky. A beautiful picture attracts us. We like pretty earthen pots with beautiful designs. We enjoy listening to music and watching dance performances. Like us, the Stone Age man too enjoyed beautiful things. He knew painting, music and dance and other arts. Stone Age man, the artist. The Stone Age man had drawn and painted pictures on rocks and on the inner walls of caves. How did he draw pictures in the dark caves? He must have made these cave paintings in the light of stone lamps. What colors did he have? He made colors from plants and colored earths. He used red ochre as color. He mixed these colors with water or animal fat and used them to paint pictures. He also made carvings on stone and painted them. Men drew pictures of animals such as the elephant, rhino, bison, horse and deer. Some of the pictures show running animals. He also painted scenes of hunting and dancing. The Stone Age man and his carving ability. Man started making clay figures during the Stone Age. He also made carvings on stone, bones and horns. The animals he carved on bones are very beautiful. Man made mats and baskets of various sizes from cane. He also made fishing traps from bamboo, water weeds and cane. Stone Age man, the potter. In the beginning, man used hollow stones, big shells, dry gourds or hollow bamboos as pots. Afterwards, he started making clay pots. He shaped them with his hands. He dried the pots in the sun to make them durable. Man has started making cane baskets. He used to plaster them on the inside with clay and put them in fire. The baskets got burnt, but the clay pots remained intact. The baskets left decorative patterns on the pots. When man started using a potter's wheel, he could make beautiful pots of various shapes. He began to make several other articles like lamps, bowls and pitchers. Sometimes he painted these pots. He began to decorate these articles with attractive designs and pictures. Stone Age man, the decorator. The Stone Age man also loved decorating himself. What could he have used to make ornaments? He made ornaments of colorful stones, beads, bones, ivory and seeds, shells and conches. Men and women both wore ornaments. They adorned their bodies with strips of paints and colorful feathers. After man began to use metals, he made beautiful ornaments using metals. The fun element. Today we enjoy playing EDZAM to the beat of the drum. In earlier days, men, women and children came together on occasions like hunting, sowing and harvesting. They sang and danced to the tunes of musical instruments. They played on instruments like the flute and the drum. painting, sculpture, dance and other arts filled man's life with joy.